the breeze just sighs. A gold draws circles in the skies. My toes sink deep, the sand's embrace. The sun spills gold on the ocean's face. Ocean in my veins, calm and wild, washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. A shell whispers secrets from the shore. The waves keep time, they ask for more. Salt on my lips, it tastes like peace. In this moment, all doubts release. Driftwood floats, a story untold. The horizon's blushes pink and bold. No rush, no clocks, no city fight. Just the sea and me till the fading light. Ocean in my veins, calm and wide, washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. The stars come out, the night begins. The sea still sings beneath my skin. Ocean in my veins, a soft refrain, forever here. I'll feel the same. The tide hums low, the breeze just sighs. A gold draws circles in the skies. My toes sink deep, the sand's embrace. The sun spills gold on the ocean's face. Ocean in my veins, calm and wild, washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. A shell whispers secrets from the shore. The waves keep time, they ask for more. Salt on my lips, it tastes like peace. In this moment, all doubts release. Driftwood floats, a story untold. The horizon blushes pink and bold. No rush, no clocks, no city fight, just the sea and me till the fading light. Ocean in my veins, calm and wide. Ocean every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. The stars come out, the night begins, the sea still sings beneath my skin. Ocean in my veins, a soft refrain forever here. I'll feel the same. The tide hums low, the breeze just sighs. A gull draws circles in the skies. My toes sink deep, the sands embrace. The sun spills gold on the ocean's face. Ocean in my veins, calm and wild. Washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. A shell whispers secrets from the shore. The waves keep time, they ask for more. Salt on my lips, it tastes like peace. In this moment, all doubts release. Driftwood floats, a story untold. The horizon's blushes pink and bold. No rush, no clocks, no city fight, just the sea and me till the fading light. Ocean in my veins, calm and wide. Ocean every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. The stars come out, the night begins, the sea still sings beneath my skin. Ocean in my veins, a soft refrain forever here. I'll feel the same. the breeze just sighs. A gull draws circles in the skies. My toes sink deep, the sand's embrace. The sun spills gold on the ocean's face. Ocean in my veins, calm and wild, washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. A shell whispers secrets from the shore. The waves keep time, they ask for more. Salt on my lips, it tastes like peace. In this moment, all doubts release. Driftwood floats, a story untold. The horizon's blushes pink and bold. No rush, no clocks, no city fight. Just the sea and me till the fading light. Ocean in my veins, calm and wide, washing every worry with the tide. Endless blue, it calls my name. Ocean in my veins, never the same. The stars come out, the night begins. The sea still sings beneath my skin. Ocean in my veins.